what you call this dish? The name of this?
In
Romania.
In Romania we call it fish baked with vegetables.
Okay.
It's not yaknia, for example.
Okay.
From Turkish we have the so-called yaknia. Yaknia, and we put it, yeah. It will go soft. It will be, yeah. Onion paste. Carrots, because carrots and parsnips and peppers are boiling hardly. I mean, they are tough. They are not soft, and they need more time to boil. Of course, you can add tomatoes as they are, but it takes time. These are diced and already boiled, are cooked.
Baby marrow.
Baby marrow, yeah. This is a pre-cooking because they will be cooked. They will be cooked totally when we bake in the oven. This is the eggplant we bring out. It's okay. Now I think all these things we'll add at the end. So that's why I told you that it will take an hour to cook.
This mushroom?
The mushrooms are done very easily.
Yeah, because it does.
So we'll add at the end.
Okay.
Do you have a lid for this?
Yeah.
I think. And I learned because I need it. Yeah, the jalapeno, but we'll put the jalapeno in here.
Okay. For the fish.
Yeah. Good. Almost done. Almost. Yeah. We put all the fish because there are only 6, I think, 6 pieces. It's all good. You like spicy? Yeah, it's okay. Because otherwise, if you don't like, it's too spicy. You don't have to this one. What I was doing, more than that, I was boiling potatoes to have a side. But if you have rice,
we have already rice.
you have already
Yeah,
rice.
boiled rice.
Boiled, already done.
Rice.
All right. All right. Now it's okay. We put the fish. All right. Okay. Alright, put it here. Alright. Alright, and put this and after that you can stop it. Yeah. You cannot make them soft.
So it is on preheat. Can we make it on baking or?
No, baking, yeah. 200. I don't know.
It's baking.
Wait, it's okay.